Welcome to your gateway to the Internet of Things. This short video will explain how to access your gateway to view and control its internal properties. By now, you should have already set up your gateway for initial use. If not, please view one of the earlier videos. The SysLINK Gateway has many properties that may be useful for your applications. For example, you may view the internal temperature of the gateway to ensure proper operation. Or you may be interested in the local IP address to validate your DHCP settings. To view internal properties or control the gateway, you'll use a smartphone, tablet, or computer to access the SysSCRIPT user interface via the cloud. No application installation is necessary. Simply use a current version of your favorite browser, such as Chrome, Explorer, or Safari. Go to the following URL, sso.systech.com. Use your existing credentials to log in. To access SysSCRIPT, select the SysSCRIPT square tile under the Applications drop-down list. A new window will open with a drop-down list of all your gateways associated with your SysSCRIPT account. Select Gateways to expose the entire list. From this list, find the gateway that you would like to work with. When you have located the gateway of interest, select the Devices button of the gateway. This will bring you to a screen showing the devices currently attached to that gateway. New devices will typically have only a single device, which is the gateway itself. Click on the gateway and you'll be able to see many of the internal gateway properties. These are properties that you can access remotely or properties you can create scripts for. The list of internal properties you may access includes the following: motion detection, active interface to the internet such as cellular, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi, the active IP address, cellular carrier, cellular signal strength, latitude, longitude, temperature, system uptime. You may also remotely initiate a reset to the gateway. To do this, simply click on the Restart Gateway button within the Gateway Properties and select the Now option. The gateway will automatically reboot. You can continue to explore the SysSCRIPT website while the gateway reboots. In addition to the internal gateway properties, if the gateway is licensed with the full version of SysSCRIPT rather than SysSCRIPT Lite, you're able to access properties of external devices. For example, if your gateway includes a Z-Wave radio, with a full version of SysSCRIPT, you may add and remove Z-Wave devices and access and control these devices. Example external devices include door contact sensors, motion sensors, valves, and HVAC systems. It's easy to add and remove external devices on the gateway. For example, to add an Aeon Labs door contact sensor, follow these instructions. For Z-Wave devices, it's usually best to remove them first in case they were associated with some other Z-Wave network. So, to remove a Z-Wave device from its previous network, put the gateway into the Z-Wave remove mode. To do this, select the Devices button of the gateway. This will bring you to a screen showing the devices currently attached to that gateway. Select the Manage Devices button and select the Z-Wave Devices option. You'll notice that the display list of devices is now limited to the currently installed Z-Wave devices, which may be an empty list at this point. Select the Remove Z-Wave button, then follow the prompts on the screen. Typically, this will involve pressing a button on the device, or possibly installing its batteries. Once the device is removed, you may now add the device to the gateway. To add the device, select the Add Z-Wave button, then follow the prompts on the screen. Within a few moments, the newly added device will appear on the list of devices. New devices will include the word New in its name to help identify its newly added status. It's best to rename the new device right away. For example, Front Door for the door contact switch. To add additional devices, simply repeat this process. Select Add Z-Wave, press the Device button, rename the device, and you're done. Now you will see your newly added devices included in the complete device list. By selecting any device, you may view the properties of that device. For example, for the door contact switch, you can view its properties, including the battery level and the status of the switch. You can also change properties of some devices, though this particular door contact switch does not include properties the user can change. Remote access to the gateway and its attached devices is available anywhere you can access the internet with a web browser. No application installation is required. This makes remote management very simple. Now that you have added devices and accessed them remotely, if you'd like to learn more about how to create intelligent scripts allowing the automatic execution of if this then that type programming, then please select one of the following topics. Thank you, and enjoy your gateway to the Internet of Things.